So hi everyone, no? So here we are again, and I show you how to make a simple email address creator using Python. Let's start. First, the program asks for your username and email domain. Use the input function. For example, you can type username alex123, domain gmail.com. Next, Python combines both using the plus sign to create a full email address like this: alex123 gmail.com. Finally, the program prints an ending, and that's it. You just made your own email address creator in Python. Try changing the username and the domains to make different emails. Thank you for watching and happy coding.